welcome to DIY Crafts. So today we are taking it outside because it is fairly nice out and it's probably going to be one of those nice days that we wish that we're going to long for because colder weather is coming, I'm sure. So today I have a super simple craft for you. We are going to be taking a simple, plain, blank Coir rug, one of those fancy doormats, and we're going to be making it our own. We're personalizing it, making it all sorts of unique and awesome. So what I've done, I've purchased depending on where you go, anywhere between $5, $10, depending on the size, $14, plain Jane Coir rug, and I'm going to personalize it with my own phrases. Phrases include home with a fancy paw print design. You can do wipe your paws. You can do bring tacos. You can do beware of wagging tails. The sky's the limit here because you're personalizing your own rug. You're getting a blank canvas. This is your chance to make your art shine. So I've gone ahead and I've taken some cardstock here. And on the cardstock, I went and printed out the design I wanted. And for each piece of cardstock paper, I printed my design on each individual paper to say home with the paw print in the middle. And then I cut it out with scissors. And I did this ahead of time because I'm sure you guys didn't want to see me cut paper. So I've gone ahead and done that. And now I have adhered most of it to this Coir rug. I just have to go ahead and adhere the rest of it. But I just wanted to show you guys how simple and easy this craft is. It does not require any skill whatsoever. It does require something to print on. Unless you want to hand draw your letters, by all means, go for it. I'm not that skilled to make fancy letters like this. And then all you have to do is tape down your stencil, your homemade stencil, or if you choose to do so, you can definitely get something similar like this at a craft store. They sell all sorts of stencils. For this, I decided to make my own stencil because why not? And in the season of gift giving, we are going to be doing as many easy, simple, creative, and fun gift giving idea crafts. So this is the first of many to come. So I hope you guys join us and watch about all the different ways that you can give gifts for quite a small penny, because right now, if you're with the rest of most of America, money is not the easiest thing to come by. So we're going to do the season of giving by creating. So I'm going ahead, I'm taping all the places that I don't want the paint to be on. So I'm going to go ahead and put tape there here. I have duct tape here. You can certainly use painter's tape, whatever tape you have at hand. I've seen this done with acrylic paint. It seems to work out pretty well, but acrylic paint is not a very long-lasting paint. So I've gone ahead and purchased this can of Flex Seal. It's basically black paint, but it's almost got like a rubberized feel and texture to it. And what that's going to do, it's going to permeate the rug a little bit better. So we're going to shake this up. We're going to paint it. And we're going to rip this off and see how awesome this comes out. And hopefully it comes out pretty spectacular. If not, you guys will find out how much of an epic fail this was. But that's the fun of crafting. You get your ups, you get your downs, you get your highs, you get your lows. So, I mean, I'm sure there's plenty other fun things that you could have your doormat say. I saw the one that said bring tacos, and I really, really applauded that one. Whoever came up with that idea, awesome. I like the beware of wagging tails. Or beware of dog, he will lick you to death. That is my dog, wherever he decided to roam off to. Alright, I think we have fully taped it. I'll just show you guys this real quick. Take a look at it. So this is my mat, all taped up, all stenciled. And we're going to go ahead and spray it. So let's just make sure this all sticks right. Make sure it's laid down pretty flat. Check out, make sure that none of these pieces are curling up. And I can already see some of them are, so I'm just going to tape a little ball here. Go ahead and put that there so it stays down. You can also do this if you wanted to. You could do your stencil on sticky paper. That way you can just kind of stick it and lay it down. That works too. If you have vinyl that you can buy at the store, or self-adhering sheets, those work really great, especially if you get them in a solid color. Alright, so we're going to shake up the can and we're going to spray from a distance. And let's see how this works out. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's do a little tester here. Perfect. Shake it up a little bit more. And we're going to do it from a little bit of a distance. I am going to go pretty heavy because I do want to make sure that this goes really deep into the rug. That way, as I wet my feet on it repeatedly, it's not going to go anywhere. So I looked at the store. You can buy these rugs pre-designed with something else on it that's not your own phrase, but someone else's phrase, for $20. For me, I bought a blank Jane plain rug for $9 in taxes. The flex steel, I don't remember how much it was off the top of my head. Cardstock was free. The tape I already had. Any tape will do. So ideally, I could give this gift of this rug to a friend of mine or whatever, a family member, and it cost me $10 to do. Here. Alright, and that's it. So I'm going to take a look from the top, make sure it all looks symmetrical, all one color. You definitely missed the spot right here, so I'm going to do that real quick. Everything else looks pretty good. Alright, moment of truth. We're going to peel it off. Are you guys ready? This is either the do or die moment, whether it worked or did not work. So we're going to go ahead and take it. Woo-wee! That's so cool. Okay. Take this piece off because my E was floating. Ew-wee, that's gross. Huh? And ta-da! I have my very own awesome rug. Took me as long as it took me to create this video. You guys saw it. You watched me. Minus the fact that I did not cut all of my stencil pieces out for you guys to watch. I figured that would be really boring and I wouldn't want to put you guys through that. But I have created my own fancy, handy, dandy rug, doormat, whatever. And it's got my own saying on it. And it really should last for quite a while because that flex paint goes all the way down into this carpet. And when it fades and I no longer like it, I can do it all over again. And there you have it. You have your first gift giving season, gift to give to friends, family, or keep for yourself, whatever it is that you decide to do. If you guys want to get fancy, you can add some more embellishments here, get some stencils up here, stencils down there, whatever it is you want to do. So there you have it. That's the DIY craft for today. Join us next week and we will talk more about simple gifts that we can create to give to others for a very, very cheap price, but made with love. Until next week, I'll see you guys then. Oopsie.